Good morning, guys. I would like to read you from the Study Bible, 1 Corinthians 3 7 to 9. So neither he who plants nor he who waters is anything, but only God who makes things grow. The man who plants and the man who waters have one purpose, and each will be rewarded according to his own labor. For we are God's fellow workers. You are God's field, God's building. God is at the end. God is going to guide and lead us and give us a final picture of life. Just do what you do to the best of your ability each and every day, and God will bring it all together. Have a lovely day, guys. Cheers for now.